Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we have Kindle Paperwhite. This one is so far the updated one, and it comes with 16 GB storage, adjustable warm light, and this one is waterproof, which makes it even better. And the screen size is 6.8. So we have ordered this recently from Amazon, and we have ordered some covers as well. So there are two covers that we have ordered. They are slim in design and a smart cover. So once you you can use the flip cover, and the light can turn off automatically, and it is anti-shock as well. So let's open this. This is the size, 6.8, handy, not heavy at all. So these are even like lighter than the books, and you can store thousands of books in here. It comes with a cable, so they're using Type-C cable now. And let's try to turn it on. These are some instructions on the charging cable, and you can use any Type-C adapter to use this. Yes, so we have turned it on from the button that is at the bottom. Okay. So you have to choose the language. So you can choose even more than one if you want. And we can use United Kingdom here. Okay, so until then we'll just unbox this cover and let's see. Looks like a well-painted library. So this flip cover is, yeah. So now we just need to sign up on this Kindle. We can even use a phone, Android device or iOS to set it up. So you can see the battery is around 55%, and they say this battery is, if it's full charge, then it's good to go for around 10 weeks. So we'll set it up now. We can even use the cable and just upload the files from a laptop or download them using the Wi-Fi. Alright, I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.